Let's take a look at our sixth type problem. Instead of having a single square root downstairs, we'll have a pair of items, whatever that might be. Specifically, one of them will be a radical. But you could have a number also. See how we have a radical here and a 2? So we have two items. And when you got two items down below, and one of them's a radical, what you do is you multiply by the top and bottom by the conjugate of that. Now, a conjugate is, the first and the second are the same, the square root of x, 2 and 2, but the sign in the middle is different. This is a minus, so this is a plus. And whatever you multiply by the bottom, you multiply by the top. Now, 1 times that just gives us the square root of x plus 2. And down below, if they're conjugates, it works out really nice. All you have to do is multiply your first and your last parts together. Well, square root of x times square root of x. And negative, oops, that should be an x. Actually, let me erase it. There we go. And negative 2 times 2. So we got square root of x plus 2 over x minus 4. Again, square root of x times square root of x just gives you x. Let's look at our second example. Got 2 over square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Again, we got two items down below here, and at least one of them is a radical. So we multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So this would be square root of 3 plus the square root of 2. And we'll multiply the top by that also. Well, up on top, we're going to take the 2, multiply times the square root of 3, and times square root of 2. So that gives us 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. And on the bottom, we're going to multiply the first parts together, square root of 3 times square root of 3. And the last parts, so negative square root of 2 times square root of 2. So we've got 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. And square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3, minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So that gives us 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2 over 1. Which just gives us 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. And that's our answer.